Without going into detail, I just want to show you what an AT ladder looks like, and what I'm going to show you can be applied to any chart on any time frame. This 5-minute Eurodollar chart is a good illustration of an up ladder. What's an up ladder? It's represented by rising red lines. These red lines represent rungs on a ladder. So if you imagine this as a ladder, and as each rung is put in place, the ladder continues to climb to the upside. As the market climbs this ladder, as long as each red line is not broken, the ladder continues to build and momentum continues to build. So this is what a ladder looks like. Imagine the market climbing this ladder, and imagine momentum building to the upside. It's only when these red lines start to break and a ladder builds to the downside that this ladder pattern is broken. This is a 4-hour sterling dollar chart and a good illustration of a down ladder. Each one of these blue lines represents a rung on the ladder. The more rungs you have, the stronger the momentum. It's like the market is climbing down the ladder until eventually reaches the bottom and support. Similar to what you saw on the up ladder, these blue lines will act as resistance levels. On the up ladder, the red lines acted as support as long as the ladder pattern stayed in force. So let's take a look at a ladder pattern that is unfolded in real time. First, let's look at a 4-hour chart. We've had 3 red candles. It's been straight down. There are no ladders here because there have been no retracements in the market. Now we go on to a 1-hour chart. Similar, it's all red candles straight down. So really no ladder to trade, but certainly a momentum move that you'd want to jump on. And it's difficult to jump on unless you could find some place to put a reasonable stop. And if you go into a 30-minute chart, you have a directional indicator over here, and then basically a move that's straight down. So we go one step further to a 15-minute chart. Wow, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ladders. This is what a ladder pattern looks like. They will give you 5 opportunities of levels you could place a stop and get in with that straight line move that's occurred today to the downside. And if we went further, even to a 5-minute chart, you see multiple blue lines dominating, no red lines until you reach a low over here. And all you have here are ladders building momentum to the downside. So this is what a ladder pattern looks like. Here's one without some of the noise, a 15-minute chart. But this is a clear illustration of what an AT ladder looks like. And we show you a strategy, a clear strategy on how to use it to trade.